Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Apple gift card to Apple Pay, and make sure you will have iOS device, and simply I will be just move in the App Store. So right now I will be just move in the top right corner of my profile icon, and I will just tap on it simply, and here you will see the redeem gift card or code, or send gift card by email, add funds to Apple account. So I will just tap on redeem gift card, and here you will be just use the camera, or you will just enter your manually code, and you will be just redeem it by the gift card on the like games or the apps or free. But there is no option to money transfer from Apple gift card to Apple Pay, so there is no way. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.